got nowhere to be, just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy. We got nowhere to be, got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing, let the morning slip. Oh, it feels.
Yo, start na ng picnic, no? Picnic season na tayo. Unang araw, unang first time. Punta kami ng Jollibee. Pipick up kami ng order. Yun na lang kakainin namin kaysa magluto pa. Yan. So far, tatlo lang kami nasa sasakyan. Pupunta pa kami ng bahay. Nandun sila. Para sabay-sabay na kaming aalis mamaya. Yan. Shower out. Shower out sa lahat ng viewers namin dyan.
Nag-order ng and pizza sa likod.
May pizza kami sa likod, ayun no. Sarap niyan, doner. Labis yan, number 1. Nakakalimutan ko na videoan yung pizza.
Hindi niya nga kaya malaki.
Ito yung pizza kanina.
Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, hawakan niya.
Ubus na. Ayan.
Gusto niyang
May brownie pa. Padami. Oh.
Hey, can I come with you? That's my
Nawala. Wait lang. Ayaw. Ay, gumana ng bike natin. Valve electric. Maganda sana, no? Hindi ka napipidal. Kaso ewan ko, lobat ba to o sira na yung baterya. Wala na atang paltan. Wala, ayaw bumukas. Ayaw. Pidalin na lang muna natin. Malamig na malamig. Walang araw. Bagay, anong oras na mag alas 8 na.
To make the same mistakes, to be part of something real.
Pogi oh. Parang slow mo no. Ay, ilang ski slow mo oh. Pogi. Pogi.
Blinking eyes through bad skies, we move on to be a field.
Oh, pogi. Bagong gupit no. Already? Go. Abaya, Jollibee. Ayun no. Inasal no.
Angels.
Oh, ininit pa no.
Para matigas. Sarap pag mainit ng tinapay.
Yan na, hi. Yan na. Yan na, oh.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, dito.
May mahay.
Say mo.
Welcome to my channel.
Hello.
Say mo, hi mami, ano?
Hi, Mommy.
Mami Eva.
Hi, Mommy Eva.
Oh.
Jolly hot dog.
Dali hotdog, oh.
Oh.
Nawala kit, ay pala.
More pa.
Sarap eh. Hotdog. Sarap ang merong hotdog na napakalat eh. Yung hotdog sa road napakalat eh.
Meron ako natikman sa hospital, lasang putlong eh.
Alin?
Lasang putlong.
Oh, putlong.
Yung putlong sa Pinas, yung sa palengke na bibili.
Sa muna, sa muna, ano?
Talagang hotdog sa Pilipinas.
Sa muna try. Oh, mayroon ba ngayon, mayroon bang ganon? Okay.
Hindi ba sila susunod? Sila Gray?
May marami ka pinapagawa.
Prop.
Tatay ba?
Panalo.
Bakun lang yun.
Hop.
Ayoko naman yun.
Di pa. Dapat malapot.
Ayan eh, oh. Oh, napakasarap niya, no?
Mamaya kakapit yung tamis yan.
Oh.
Ito may white. May white.
Yari yan, oh, yeah.
Tinali ka na.
Taubar rice cooker mamaya.
Kumain na kayo ng hotdog.
Ayoko, masakit sa mata ang ano, usok.
Hindi na makasong sila Gray.
Ay, napakasarap, oh.
We got nowhere to be.
Wide, no?
Just a slow dance with the summer
tayo.
heat.
Baka toyo yung
World outside can't wait for you. Cause right
May naglagay ka
now
ng takip
we
dito
got
eh.
nothing else to do.
Ang toyo.
The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds. Your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy.
Sarap. Nasal.
Got nowhere to be. Got nowhere to be. Your hair's a mess, but you don't mind. You just laugh, let it fall where it lies. Coffee's cold, but we take a sip, talk about nothing. Let the morning slip. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that, like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that,
Mamaya ulit. Di, lakad, lakad. Oh.
feels like
Tayo.
that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na 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 na. Feels like that. Oh, it feels like that, like summer air through window cracks. Oh, it feels like that, like the summer sun